Today I'll share one of the numerous ways I make ice creams. There are so many ways to make ice creams, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be trying out just one particular way.
A brand new bottle tucked away.
So to begin, I have my glass bowl here. I have my condensed milk. My condensed milk is from the OKI brand. Then I have these little tiny sugar bowls. These sugar bowls are made from just icing sugars and colors, edible colors. So I choose them because it's just a simple ice cream and I don't need too much for it. Finally, we have our powdered whipping cream. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using the powdered whipping cream. Feel free to use any brand of your choice. So I just chilled my glass bowl. Making ice creams requires everything to be chilled, if possible in the freezer for like 30 minutes. So go in with our whipping cream, our powdered whipping cream. For this video, I'll be using just 2 cups of powdered whipping cream.
At least I know we were.
Then we measure out 1 cup of chilled cold water, just 1 cup already chilled. Throw it into our bowl of whipping cream and whisk.
But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town.
During this whisking process, we're going to be doing this within medium to low speed. We don't want the cream to break off so fast. With that consistency, we're just going to whisk until it forms stiff peaks, just like so. I would like to mention that the consistency of your ice cream will be determined by the ratio of water to the ratio of whipping cream powder that you added earlier before whisking. I actually chose this consistency because I want it thick and frothy. So if you want yours a little bit of runny, you can add more water in the initial, but be careful not to add too much so you don't have or end up with a runny ice cream. So I just added my condensed milk right now. The condensed milk was 1 cup of condensed milk, a teaspoon of vanilla oil just for some twist. You can feel free to use any flavor of your choice: banana, lemon zest, strawberry. I'm doing a vanilla ice cream, so I just went for the vanilla oil. So I've just added in my sugar balls, my sugar tiny balls, and mix them all in because I want a little bit of that crunch while I'm licking my ice cream. So the next thing is, after stirring that up, you put that in a plate, scoop them in a plate like so. Then we're going to smoothen the surface and wrap it up with a Ziploc or an airtight cover just to avoid ice from trapping into our ice creams. This ice cream is so smooth and luscious. I chose this consistency because that is what I want for myself. If you want yours a little bit of runny, you can add more of the cream and more of the water from the initial process. It's just a simple ice cream recipe that I enjoy so much. You can also use your liquid whipping cream in replacement of the powdered one. Either way, it works and it gives you a perfect frothy consistency. So after about 6 or more hours of leaving that in the freezer, our ice cream is now ready. You can choose to leave it overnight. So I'm just trying to scoop and have a taste of it. So this is already looking good, and it's giving Cold Stone vibes. It's giving Cold Stone ice cream vibes, and I love it so much. So I'll still figure out what to do with a larger batch later. For now, I'm just trying to have a taste, so I'm going in with some caramel and some sugar ball toppings. Feel free to add any topping of your choice. Feel free to enjoy with fruits. banana, strawberry, all it just goes so sweet. I'm having mine with some banana bread. I have a recipe of banana bread in my YouTube video. Please do watch it. Oh my, this actually tastes so good. So yummy, frothy, so nice. You can do this for your kids, for your family, and everyone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you try this recipe and let me know when you do in the comment section. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye bye.